VCF 5500L will be introduced this time. I hear that a new product, VCF 5500L, has recently been launched. Would you make a brief introduction of this new machine?
VCF 5500L is a column-moving machining center equipped with a 2.2-meter-long X-axis. It provides a little bit smaller stroke than 5500UL with a 5-meter-long X-axis.
Would you name the industry examples of the parts to be machined for which the VCF 5500L is best suited?
Since VCF 5500L is equipped with a long table suitable for providing various solutions, the machine can be suited for machining the parts for almost all industries without limitation. Long and large parts can be machined in a single setup, and the long parts can be machined throughout multiple installation in the Y-axis direction. Also, parts longer than the table can be machined because both ends of the table is open. For small ordinary parts, multiple installation in the X-axis direction is possible, and with the center partition installed to be used as a substitute for dual pallet changer, and workspace can be divided. Semiconductor frame, railway components, and automobile battery cases are an example of such items.
How do you describe the specification of this VCF 5500L?
The stroke of each axis is 2200 mm for the X-axis, 550 mm for the Y-axis, and 510 mm for the Z-axis. And the rapid feed speed is 42 meters per minute for all axes. It provides a fixed type 2500 mm by 580 mm table. With direct coupled spindle installed, it provides a maximum spindle speed of 12,000 RPM, maximum power of 18.5 kilowatts, and a maximum torque of 117 Newton-meters. Employing a 40 taper tool type, it provides a standard 30 tool magazine. 40 and 60 tool magazines are available as an option.
You just mentioned that separate machining is possible on the left and right by installing center partition. Can you elaborate on it?
The long table, which is simply the one table, can be turned into two separate tables by installing a center partition. You can perform machining on table number 1 using the spindle while performing setup or some other work on table number 2. This will produce high efficiency in terms of productivity.
Machining small and medium-sized parts of 2.2 meters is likely to create a lot of chips. What options are available for the VCF 5500L to facilitate the chip disposal?
It provides a bed flushing coolant option to completely prevent the piling up of chips on the bed. Besides, additional flushing lines are installed on both the walls of the Y-axis slide cover and the column to get rid of the chips effectively. Also, top cover option is provided to prevent the scattering of chips and coolant resulting from TSC use.
Are there any other advantages of the VCF 5500L?
This machine is equipped with highly reliable direct coupled spindle, providing a dual-phase tool locking system. With high-quality cam-type ATC installed, the machine is capable of producing a performance of tool-to-tool 1.3 seconds and chip-to-chip 4.5 seconds, and provides a various number of tool mounting, such as 30, 40, and 60 tools. Lastly, there is one thing to remember when operating the machine with the top cover provided as an option. Since the top cover blocks the ceiling, manually push it after pushing the Y-axis backward so that the hoist can approach when loading the workpiece, and then reinstall it before operating the machine. The machine is equipped with FANUC 0 IMF Plus, and IHMI is available as an option. Additionally, usability is greatly enhanced by providing an EOP option.
So far, we have covered some of the features of the VCF 5500L, Doosan's multi-purpose machining tools. Thank you very much for your time, Mr. Chung.